sure exactly when it happened, but the opening title sequences of TV shows have become these little works of art, just incredibly well produced and wildly cinematic. These show-stopping TV openings, they're what's trending.
It all started with these guys, Tony Soprano and Walter White. Top production talent like cinematographers and music supervisors who used to work exclusively in movies are now generating TV openings that are masterful, sophisticated, and visually compelling.
Pan Flight 103 crashed into the town of Lockerbie.
He has sanctioned acts of terror in Africa.
Homeland gives you moody and evocative.
We must, and we will, remain vigilant at home and abroad.
The use of real-world imagery and dream sequences helps build the tension. American Horror Story, chilling, haunting, and maybe scarier than the show itself. Quick cuts of creepy images and dark music set you up for a roller coaster ride of fright. And Mad Men may have been the first modern show to blow away audiences before the show even began. The poignant animated opening sequence is as enigmatic and intense as Don Draper himself. And Prison Wire, birds flying free, and tight shots of the mouths, eyes, and faces of formerly incarcerated women.
Think of all the roads.
That is the Orange is the New Black title sequence. The images are so stark and real that by the time the show starts, you are on your best behavior.
Remember all their faces.
Opening credits that you just can't skip. They're what's trending.